everybody. I hope you have watched the video prior to this one. So this is a continuation, so you don't know it. Somebody said that stupid intro the way you have yesterday, but we'll keep it until I'll say maybe we want to change the intro now. Me know I don't love it, but we're on the baking of the potato pudding in this video. Somebody just say hi everybody. Now, in that video, I told you that you are to peel your potatoes and submerge them in water. They are easier to grate. Now, when you peel your potatoes by hand, camera girl, you catch this? This is the condition of your hand because the potatoes are stained. So, you might want to use gloves, but hello please, gloves slippery, be careful you don't cut your hands with the knife, or maybe you use that something drag peeler. Me now manage them one day. So I'm gonna still keep my hand whilst I grate it, because if I wash my hands from, it's just stain and it's not a bad stain. You can just put like a little dish soap and a little white vinegar and it will just lose it up. But I have to be handling the potatoes, so I will not wash my hands from this stain until I finish grating them. Now this is the yellow belly potato and I've submerged them. I've peeled them and I've submerged them in water. This is how they will look. Them can't stay clean and pretty in nature them. I want you to select decent potatoes. Don't go about selecting the potatoes with the worms. Because when you wonder sometimes you say you got doctor tell you say you worm, you a parasite. Big smarty have worm, yeah. Because you go buy potato pudding with the wormy potato, then but then take great eye and the egg out of it and all them sitting there and it get in your digestive system and then they are growing at on parasite and multiply. Be careful of the potatoes that you select to make your pudding. Now, if you're buying potato pudding, you got to be more careful too. So, my potato pudding videos, maybe this is not running about 2 videos. I want you, when I'm through, to learn to bake your potato pudding. Oftentimes people say, Tina, different type of potato pudding recipe, but you love to try it. So, hello, I can do the videos like click in, click out, cut, I can do it. But I just want you to learn these videos that I'm doing. They are priceless. The way in which I do them, they are priceless. I hope you will appreciate them. Because when I'm done, I expect you to bake your potato pudding. When you feel like you want to bake a potato pudding, you bake it. I'm going to show you too how you can prepare your grated potato. You're sinting them and freeze them at that time. You can prepare them and bag them and freeze them. And you're ready to enter them out and make pudding. I'm going to show you that too. Maybe not in this video, or maybe we'll see. So my coconut here cut up, and I don't have to show you how I make the milk because there's a video on the channel here that shows you in depth how you go about making your coconut milk from scratch. Don't worry about measurements as we go along. I will tell you measurement depends on the size of what you're making. So it's hard for me to tell you to make this. Everybody pan different. You understand? Everybody pan. Unless you're going to say I'm going to make an 8-inch potato pudding. But I will tell you how much you're to use. I'll put a definite measurement on the ingredients. And I will tell you what size pudding you're to get from that. I mean, I want a measurement because all different kind of pudding pan me have here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start grating my potatoes. This is the part that everybody's scared of. Achoo, me know, kind of easy. So, muscle work. So you want to start grating. Nobody think they're going to hold your grate off them, No, but I'm just showing you. You need to put some pressure. I agree, people are scared of it. So you need some. It is dry, so that's why you have to keep it submerged in water. So as soon as you, because if you start taking it from the water, so to start grating, if you keep it out without water, you have to go to surgery on your shoulder. And I tell you. So you start grating off your potato. This is the very first thing you do. The very first thing when you're going to make a potato pudding. Camera girl, are you in on this? Showing them how to get your potato grated. And remember, we are using Jamaican yellow belly sweet potato. So this is what it's going to look like. And it is coarse. So we are going to go now. Grate off our potatoes. All of them I have to grate off, but me all the time, I'm used to it. We're gonna make our coconut milk, and when we return, you'll see what we're all about. Okay, now family, and this was like 4 2 kilo and a little of potato. So you can see I'm finished. This is the last of it. I came right here now. I brought you in on this part of the video to show you this. This is the already grated potato. Look at this. This is the last little piece, but I want to show you this. If you get your yellow belly sweet potato and you're gratering when you start to grate, and you rub it here and it comes out on the back right here. This is how it will look when you just start gratering it. And as the time goes on, it oxidizes and turns to this pretty color. Don't ever think that your potato is spoiled. When you start to grate it, this is how it's gonna look. And then as the time goes by, it oxidizes and turns this brown color. Don't panic. That's the nature of the yellow belly potato. Okay? Now, at this point, we are gonna be putting in my piece of yellow yam. Before that, at this point, some people would grate ginger. Do not grate the ginger into this. If you look at this, you can see we have a lot of strings in there. The baking process will not elude. You're not going to take out the string them out of the potato. Then you have to grate the ginger in there, and the ginger is more stringy. Grate the ginger or blend it and make some strong ginger juice. I'll show you how much to put in there. Okay? So I'm gonna go now finish this, and when we start grating my yam in it, I'm gonna bring you in back on it. Okay? Now family, I showed to you in the introduction of the potato pudding baking the piece of yellow yam. At this point, I'm gonna go grate my yellow yam. This yellow yam is to aid in the binding of the potato pudding. Look what happens when you grate the potato pudding. You see it looks like egg, like when you're beating up egg. Look at the consistency of the yellow yam. Yes. So this is what we're gonna use as a part of our binding for the potato pudding. Some nice, and you saw the color of the yam. It was like the burned dirt yam. So we go grate off all of this around here, and see this. It looks like egg. So we're gonna go grate it. And when we finish grate it, we'll come back and we'll continue. Okay, now family, all grated off yellow yam. Look at it. This is part of the binding for my Debbie Dongayard sweet potato pudding. Don't use the white yam. Some people use cocoa and dasheen and taya. Amaru, you guys call it taya. We call it taya. Now, I am going to use my hand, but you might want to use your gloves because the yellow yam, it itches. But to me, old timer, look at this. So you want to, I'm going to show you what it does to the potato. You want to use it, and if you want to use a spoon, suit yourself, it's your kitchen. Huh? You're going to, I don't think I'm massaging this, that one doesn't look like massage. You look like just trying to use your hand to blend in that yellow yam into that grated sweet potato. And you see right here, right now on YouTube, on the Jamaican cooking journey, what the yellow yam has done to the grated sweet potato. You see it bind up already? Look at it. Okay, we're not through. We're gonna go grate blend our coconut to get some nice milk. This is gonna go through another process to get it smooth. But look here, this is the end of this part of this video. When we return in the other video, we will continue.